Mira Moradi has just shared some exciting news about ChatGPT-4o. It's set to shake up the world of AI with new features. Moving from GPT 3.5 to GPT-4 is a considerable upgrade. The system GPT 3.5, released in 2022, improved its forerunner in focusing on human values by facilitating reinforcement learning with human feedback. Now, enter GPT-4, and things are ramping up a notch. This latest release from OpenAI is full of surprises, making AI-powered conversations even more impressive. So let's look deeper into what ChatGPT-4o has on board. The latest model. One of the most incredible things in GPT-4 is the amount of text it can deal with. It can handle up to 25,000 words from a single user. It can also be sent a link to a web page in the chat, and it will analyze the text inside without you having to retype it or explain it. So, it is a powerhouse for generating content and getting into honest, long conversations. We do not know all the details about GPT-4's training data, as OpenAI has not yet made it available to the public. This model can understand the text in addition to the visual inputs and has vast, diverse knowledge. It's a big word model, and OpenAI is the next massive leap in language models. What's more, OpenAI is also making great strides in safety with the GPT-4. They have worked hard to make it more effective while having less likelihood of producing inappropriate content. According to their tests, GPT-4 provides 40% more objective answers and 82% fewer deviations. They even spoke with over 50 domain experts to push ChatGPT-4 to be the safest and most secure version possible. It is a cloud-based service and is therefore very easy for developers and companies to access through an API. Yes, you will have to pay to access all the perks and benefits of the most advanced model, but the free usage tier of OpenAI counters this to make it accessible to everyone. But that's not all. Now, GPT-4 can work with images too. You can now give it a picture and ask questions or make requests based on what is in that picture. That opens up so many doors of possibilities for interactions with AI. Introducing GPT-4o Speed. The big news with the latest release is all about how GPT-4o is going to speed things up. This version brings the smarts of GPT-4 to way more people, and it's seriously speedy. It's way faster than what was available to the public before, making it better at handling text, images, and even audio. This boost in speed means you get smoother, more efficient interactions, making working with AI a lot more practical and immersive. Another one of the cool upgrades being introduced in GPT-4o is its native ability to handle voice inputs and commands. In the past, you would need a separate model for things like transcription, intelligence, and turning text back into speech. This setup took a long time to get into and messed with the flow of conversation. But with GPT-4o, all these features are packed into one strong model. This means you can have real-time, natural conversations where the AI understands context, deals with background noise, and recognizes different voices and tones. It's a huge leap toward making AI feel more human-like and intuitive. Overall, GPT-4o is setting a new standard for AI interactions, making them faster, smoother, and way more natural in the way they connect with people. Whether you're chatting, looking at pictures, or listening to audio, this new release is designed to make your experience as seamless and engaging as possible. Introducing multimodal capabilities. GPT-4o is a total game changer when it comes to handling different types of content. Now you can upload screenshots, photos, and documents that have both text and images, and ChatGPT will dive into meaningful conversations about them. This is super handy for tasks where you need visual context, like analyzing charts, discussing photos, or reviewing documents. Imagine just snapping a pic of a complicated graph and having ChatGPT break it down for you. It's all possible now with the power of GPT-4 in your hands. One of the standout features of this new model is its dual-stream transformers. Unlike the older versions, GPT-4 can process visual and textual information at the same time. This means it's a pro at understanding documents with images and diagrams, making it incredibly effective for all sorts of detailed analysis. But one of the most awaited updates is that GPT-4o now has a functioning memory. Yep, it can remember stuff from past conversations, which makes your interactions feel way more personal and efficient. You don't have to keep repeating the same background info over and over again. It picks up right where you left off, making everything smoother and more connected. Plus, GPT-4o has browsing capabilities. This means it can look up real-time information during your chat. It's like having a super smart buddy who can instantly find up-to-date info on anything you're curious about. Whether you're doing research or just have a random question, this feature makes ChatGPT incredibly versatile and powerful. What are the applications? The upgrades in GPT-4o are opening up some seriously cool possibilities in all aspects of our lives, especially in the way we think about education. Imagine university professors creating custom content tailored specifically for their students, all available at the touch of a button. With GPT-4o's ability to handle different types of content and remember past interactions, professors can now offer interactive lessons, personalized feedback, and even pull in real-time info to support their course material. It's like having a super smart teaching assistant at your fingertips. For podcasters, writers, and other content creators, GPT-4o is a goldmine. This model can juggle text, images, and audio, making it perfect for creating dynamic and engaging content. Think about podcasters and how they could use ChatGPT to whip up scripts, dive into research, and even interact with visual content to spice up their shows. The possibilities are endless. GPT-4o is packed with features that boost data analysis, language support, and real-time conversation capabilities. Whether you're crunching numbers, translating languages, or just having a chat, this tool is more versatile and powerful than ever. It's designed to make life easier for everyone, from everyday users to tech-savvy developers. Advanced data analysis. One of the coolest features of ChatGPT-4o is its advanced data analysis skills. Now, you can upload charts and various tools directly into the platform and get a deep dive into your data. It's like having a personal data analyst right there with you. This is super handy for folks in finance, research, and business intelligence who need to make sense of complex data sets. But it doesn't stop at just analyzing static data. ChatGPT-4o can actually chat with you about the data. You can ask follow-up questions, request specific data points, and even get visual representations of the analysis. This interactive aspect makes it a powerful tool for making data-driven decisions. Imagine discussing your sales numbers or research findings in real time and getting instant, detailed insights. Multilingual support and speed enhancements. ChatGPT-4o is now also optimized to deliver high-quality, speedy responses in 50 different languages. This broad language support is key for making sure everyone around the world can use the tool effectively. Its enhanced language processing means you get accurate and relevant answers, no matter what language you're using. Breaking down this language barrier was one of the biggest accomplishments of the OpenAI team as they aim to make a completely universal tool. Right now, it supports several languages like English, Spanish, French, German, Portuguese, Italian, Dutch, Russian, Arabic, and Chinese. With its natural language processing tech, ChatGPT can understand and respond to queries in these languages, making it super handy for multilingual users. Switching languages is a breeze. Just type the name of the language you want to use, and ChatGPT will switch automatically. For example, if you type Espanol, the chatbot will know to start chatting with you in Spanish. It's all about making the conversation feel natural and easy. What's really cool is that ChatGPT keeps getting better at languages. It uses machine learning to improve its skills over time. The more people interact with it in different languages, the smarter it gets at understanding and responding accurately. So, as you keep engaging with ChatGPT in various languages, it becomes even more adept at handling multilingual conversations. New developer and API enhancements. ChatGPT-4o is now available through an API, and that's a game changer for developers. This means they can integrate all the awesome capabilities of GPT-4o into their own apps, opening up a world of new AI-powered tools and services. The API comes with all the fancy features of the standalone ChatGPT, like real-time processing and multimodal interaction, so developers get the full package. What's really cool is that the GPT-4o API is designed to be 50% cheaper and offers 5 times higher rate limits compared to GPT-4 Turbo. This makes it super cost-effective for developers, especially if they're looking to deploy AI at a large scale. The increased rate limits and lower costs are perfect for applications needing lots of requests or hefty computational power. With this API, developers can whip up custom AI applications that take advantage of GPT-4o's advanced features. Think interactive tutoring sessions for educational apps, real-time data analysis for business tools, and personalized patient support for healthcare apps. The API infrastructure is robust enough to handle a wide range of uses, making AI tech more versatile and accessible than ever. Real-time conversational speech. During the presentation by Mira Moradi, we saw some live demos that showcased the real-time conversational speech capabilities of ChatGPT-4o. These demos were super impressive, showing how users can talk to the model using natural voice commands and get instant, contextually appropriate responses. The model handles interruptions and provides feedback in real time without any noticeable lag, which is a huge improvement over previous versions. Another standout feature of ChatGPT-4o is its ability to pick up on emotional cues. It can understand the user's tone of voice and respond in a way that's not just relevant, but also emotionally attuned. For example, if you're feeling anxious or excited, ChatGPT-4o can detect that and adjust its responses to be more empathetic and engaging. This makes interactions feel more human and personalized. Voice modulation and styles. ChatGPT-4o lets you customize voice outputs in all sorts of fun styles, whether you want it to sound dramatic, emotional, robotic, or even sing. This flexibility was shown off with some cool examples like telling bedtime stories with different emotional tones and even belting out a tune. It's perfect for content creators, educators, or anyone who wants to add a unique twist to their interactions with AI. In the live demo, there was an interactive storytelling session where ChatGPT-4o could change its voice and style based on what users wanted. It was not only super entertaining, but also showed off how versatile and nuanced the AI's communication can be. Imagine having a bedtime story read in a soothing voice or an exciting tale told with dramatic flair. If you found this video interesting, please show your support by liking and subscribing to our channel for more content. Until next time, take care.